All right, guys, we're in the Philippines. We're at our property here at the road, putting in our electric service from the highway. We've got a huge building lot over there. We're going to be building our house. We put our water lines in already, and we have municipal water. And now we're putting in our electric lines. The next step after this is to put in our just to start pouring concrete. Put the forms in and start pouring concrete. That'll be the next step. Got electricity, got water. Next step, we can start putting foundation in. Right, Karen?
Mm-hmm.
Get some footings in, get the foundation in. Look, guys, in the Philippines, the girls, especially here, the guys too, hide from the sun. You would think it's winter in North America the way they wear the hoodies here, right, Karen?
It's cold.
That's winter attire. What is it? 85 degrees and she's wearing a hoodie. Crazy. Loca loca.
Sino? Who? Ano?
Loca loca. Don't ano me. Anyway, yeah, guys, it's like a little under 300 meters, I'd say. We bought a 300-meter roll of water hose, and there was some extra, so which I'm sure we'll use. So it's a little bit under 300 meters. It's a nice area, nice people live here. This is the road. I don't really care if they ever pave it, it's not so bad. There's our wire. And over there, that Nipa hut is our property. Extends from about there to pretty far back there. It's in a good location up high there. We won't be getting any flooding issues. It's an acacia tree there. Some yellow flowers on it. That's right where we're going to take out that tree and put the house. So there's a lot of carabao and buffalo and things here. I'm getting a lot of help here from obviously my wife Karen and her brother Christian. We call him. His nickname is Ton. And Nana and Tatai, Karen's mother and father. They're strong. They can work in the sunlight all day. It's kind of what they do. They're farmers. They can go out in that rice field and work all day long in 95 degree heat, and it don't faze them. What's next, Ton?